Hi guys, so today we are doing Dance Monkey, and my dad is going to play the piano, and I'm going to be singing.
When did we learn this song?
Like 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes? Even 5 minutes? Yeah, very
less than 5 minutes.
Very fast. It was very fast.
Yep.
So, excuse the bad hands, but she kills it on this song. You might want to get on like maybe this side, so you can be closer to the video. Or do you want to just do it like last time?
Sure, I'll just go right here.
Right there. You're good. Right there.
Okay.
You're good.
So I am trying to work on my vocal cords. So
You're good.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead when I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And know my I just make me wanna try. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance with me, oh. I never see anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, And when you're gone, I'll make you do it all again.
Woo! She got through it.
Yeah.
Nice one. Good job. It's getting posted.
Make
See how it
sure
goes.
to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
Subscribe to Riley Kayanne's YouTube channel. Yeah, she'll have some more songs she'll be posting all the
I haven't
time.
posted in a long time.
We haven't. We'll do some more fun stuff. Okay?
Instead of singing.
Right. And I'll cry for you. I'll sing all my sad songs. She doesn't like me to sing. And we might even pull out the guitar.
Yep.
Yeah.
Bye.